Faceless YouTube channels like this are making up to $10,000 a month. In this video, I'm going to break down how to create your own faceless YouTube automation channel for results like this, even as a complete beginner. You don't need any fancy skills, equipment, or experience. You just need to understand the process and tools that I'm going to go through step by step with you. If you want an even more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to start an automated YouTube channel from scratch as a beginner, click the first link in the description. You'll find all the specific systems, workflows, and processes to create your automated YouTube channel that will pay you unlimited passive income. I've also put all the tools that I'm going to talk about in the description, so be sure to click those to sign up for free accounts and the best deals. Step 1. Pick a niche. This is key. The right niche can set you up for success, while the wrong one can mean wasted time. You want something that's popular enough to attract views, but specific enough to carve out a dedicated audience. Some profitable faceless niches include tech reviews, life hacks, cooking tips, gaming, and personal finance. So, how do you find the right one? Start by looking at what interests you, what's trending, and what advertisers might pay well for. For example, topics like finance, fitness, and tech usually have high ad rates because they attract advertisers willing to pay more. For the sake of today's tutorial, I'm going with the personal finance niche. Step 2. Research your niche. Hop over to YouTube, type in your niche, in my case, personal finance, and check out what's trending. Filter for the top viewed videos in the last year to see what's really catching people's attention. Take note of the common themes. Are there a lot of videos on saving money fast or general personal finance lessons? This research will guide you toward the types of content that are popular, so you know which topics to target once your channel is set up. Step 3. Set up your channel. This part is simple but important because your channel needs to look professional to attract and keep subscribers. Start by choosing a catchy, memorable name that reflects your niche. You can even ask ChatGPT for help by typing in a prompt like this. Pick one that sounds good and is to the point, or come up with your own, using what ChatGPT generated as inspiration. With your name chosen, go to Canva and create your channel logo and banner. Canva is free and has tons of templates. Look up YouTube banner and logo templates and pick one that's clean. Then, customize it by adding your channel name. You can add icons from the Elements section on the left. You can play around with the colors and the fonts too. Because this is personal finance, I might go for more green colors and an icon like a dollar symbol. Once you're happy with the design, save your logo and banner and upload them to your YouTube channel. While you're at it, use ChatGPT to write a channel description that introduces your content and grabs viewers' attention. Just give ChatGPT this prompt. Edit what ChatGPT generated to make it more human, paste it into the description field, and you're good to go. Step 4. Find viral video ideas. You want your content to stand out, but also be on the same wavelength as what's already working in your niche. Go back to YouTube, search for high-performing videos in personal finance, and pay attention to things like titles, keywords, and video length. Tools like VidIQ can be super helpful here because they show you which exact keywords are driving traffic to popular videos. Look for patterns and brainstorm ways to put your own spin on successful topics. For example, if "How to Save $500 Fast" is doing well, you might create a video like 5 easy ways to save $1,000 this month. Create a list of all your video ideas. Again, you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm here if you're feeling stuck. Step 5. Write a script. Once you have a video idea, you'll need a script. This is where ChatGPT really makes life easier. Just give it a prompt like this. It'll provide a full script with clear talking points that you can edit to fit your channel's voice. Read through it, make any changes, and you're ready to go. Step 6. Generate a voiceover. Since this is a faceless channel, you'll need a voice that sounds natural. but doesn't need you to record yourself. 11 Labs is an AI tool that generates professional voiceovers, and it's super easy to use. Paste your script into 11 Labs, select a voice style, and let it do its thing. This tool can adjust the tone and pacing to sound just right for your channel. Download the audio once you're happy, and you're ready for the next step. Step 7. Find or generate footage. Free stock video sites like Pexels and Pixabay are great places to find copyright-free footage for your videos. For a finance channel, you might look for clips of people budgeting, saving money, or using a calculator. If you want to add some more unique visuals, Leonardo AI is another great tool. You can generate custom images by typing prompts like animated $sign. These images give your video a custom feel and keep things visually interesting without having to film anything yourself. Step 8. Edit the video. Let's put everything together in CapCut. CapCut is super beginner-friendly, making it easy to add your voiceover, visuals, and any text or captions. Import your voiceover first, then layer in the footage to match the audio. CapCut's captioning feature is also useful. It not only boosts engagement, but can improve accessibility for viewers who prefer to read along. Add some effects and transitions from the options that Canva gives. Keep it all clean and simple. Let the content do the work without overdoing effects. Step 9. Create a thumbnail. Thumbnails are the first thing that draws viewers in, so you want them to be eye-catching and clear. Use Canva for this. Look for a YouTube thumbnail template, pick a simple one, and then customize it. Pick a bold background color like yellow or green, which stands out on YouTube, and add a clear title, like Top Budgeting Hacks or How to Save Big. To make it pop even more, go back to Leonardo AI and generate a unique image of a $sign or a colorful graph to add a visual hook. Step 10. Upload your video. Now, you're ready to publish. Optimize for SEO by including keywords in your title, description, and tags. Start with a strong title like 5 Best Budget Tips for Beginners. Then add keyword-rich descriptions to improve your video's reach. Tools like VidIQ can help you find the best tags fast so that you don't waste time doing the research. This will help your video rank higher and make more money, so use this to help. Step 11. Monetize your channel. Let's talk about monetization options. The first way you'll want to make money on YouTube is through ad revenue. To qualify, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year. It might sound like a lot, but once you get rolling, these numbers will feel achievable. Ad revenue is great, but don't stop there. You can also make money with affiliate marketing by recommending products or services. For a finance channel, for example, you could link to budgeting tools, investment apps, or credit card offers, and earn a commission for each person who signs up. Another option is to sell digital products like guides or templates related to your niche. This could be a budgeting spreadsheet or a downloadable ebook with extra tips. Digital products are especially nice because they only need to be made once, but can sell forever. That's the whole roadmap to creating a faceless YouTube automation channel, with a more detailed blueprint linked in the description. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And, again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Which niche are you thinking about starting your faceless YouTube channel in? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.